talk about an example that I've been seeing in lots of students' work, because a lot of students have been writing about what they want to be when they grow up. So some of the students' work has sounded a bit like this. So when I grow up, I want to be a doctor. Full stop. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor. Now that's a great sentence. That really is. But where some people are having a little bit of a problem is that then they're starting their next sentence like this. Because, and then they have a reason. I'll just write in a reason. Because they help people when they are sick. Okay. So, where we have a problem here is that we usually don't start sentences with the word because. It's just something that we don't do. Because is one of those words that really should be going somewhere inside a sentence, but not beginning a sentence. Now, if we read this back, let's listen to how it sounds with the way that we've put the punctuation mark, the full stop there. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor because they help people when they are sick. So it sounds a bit odd here because, well, when I think about how it should sound like this. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor because they help people when they are sick. So when I read it naturally, I don't stop here. Remember, before I stopped here. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor because they help people when they are sick. Okay, so we actually don't pause there. What we can do is we can put these two pieces together. I'm going to get rid of this just like we did before. So I'm going to put a ring around it, put a little line through it, and I'm going to turn this into a lowercase b, because then this can be one sentence. Let's read that together. When I grow up, I want to be a doctor because they help people when they are sick. That sounds like it makes more sense to me. But yeah, the teachers have been saying that a bit, and it's probably just something good to talk about. So hopefully that helps you with writing your awesome sentences. If you do want to go back and fix them up, you can. Or you can just keep that in your mind for the next time that you do an activity where you want to use the word because. Bye.